Okay, real talk. I was very skeptical about laundry detergent sheets at first, but after using these, I totally get why people are switching. With these laundry detergent sheets, instead of giant heavy detergent bottles, you literally just toss one sheet into the wash and it completely dissolves. One of my favorite things is how little space these take up compared to bulky detergent containers. My laundry area instantly feels less cluttered now. I've been using the scent-free version, which I really appreciate because it's gentle for sensitive skin. It doesn't leave behind overpowering fragrances. The sheets are also paraben-free, phosphate-free, dye-free, chlorine-free, and no mess. And these are amazing for travel, RVs, camping, dorms, or even just small laundry rooms because they're lightweight, mess-free, and super easy to store. I like that you can also adjust the number of sheets or strips to use depending on the size load you're doing. You'll use one sheet for a large load, you'll tear it in half for a smaller load, and for hand washing, you can use just a fourth of a sheet even. I honestly expected these to clean less effectively than regular detergent, but my clothes have come out clean, fresh, and without any weird residue left behind or weird smells. These sheets dissolve quickly, work in all washing machines, and there is no measuring spills or detergent mess everywhere. And I do really like that there's no giant plastic jug involved, which feels like such a simple swap if you're trying to reduce your plastic waste a little bit. If you've ever been curious about laundry sheets, these are one of the best, easiest, low-mess laundry upgrades I've tried, and I'm glad that the brand let me try them out.